how to check engine oil on your vehicle. Simple and easiest way. First off, if your car's running, you wanna turn the car off. Secondly, unlock your door. Wherever your pull lever is for your hood, you pull your lever. You wanna find where the lever is to pull. In this case, that is simple. Make sure you put that up. Hold your hood up because you don't need it slamming on your head. Here's obviously the engine block. We have a V6 3.3 liter on a Toyota Highlander. And the engine stick to check the oil is right here. Now what you want to do is, you see it's up there, but what you want to do is you want to get you a napkin of some sort like this, and you want to swipe along the way to see how clear it is after you dip it in again. So what you want to do is wipe. Make sure you wipe it off. Nothing on there. You dip it back in there. You pull out again. You want to do it again just to see. Remember, when it's running hot, the oil's up there. Sometimes it's best to do it when it's cold, so to say. And this tells me that she has oil in her. You see the line is up there to the dot, but soon to come, she needs an oil change. And this is how you check your oil on your vehicle. Engine, oil stick. We should say it right there on there. Engine, oil.